Share a workflow for product photography. On the left, upload an image. On the right, generate the result. Let's take a simple look at its design concept. We take an image from the left, then use the familiar segment anything to extract it. At this point, a mask is generated, which you might also call a matte. If we preview here, the bottle is white and the background is black. The white represents the area that needs to be repainted. So we applied an inverted mask to repaint only the local area. Before starting local repaint, also apply canny and depth to this extracted image. She used two controllers. Candy is just the sketch, and depth is depth. This is how the preview looks. Why do we do this? I think it's to prevent any overflow from the edges of the product so that the edge of the bottle can be locked during redrawing. The positive prompt area has random positive prompts set. Okay, that's a simple process. This group here has been processed with titanium. What's the point of going through this titanium section? To make the product blend better with its surroundings. But what are the drawbacks? You will lose details. For example, this 3.5 version may have issues. So if we want to enlarge this area, I think it might be better to mention Superior once again. This process is something I saw on OpenAI, and this is its name. Similarly, I'll put this workflow in the link. Follow the public account AI-KSK to get it. Navigate to RunningHub, click AI, or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 1,200 points. Logging in daily will also give you 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click start AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.